RG-EC2240MG electric chainsaw from Einhell is notable for its easy and user-friendly handling. The ergonomic handle position and the optimized position of the center of gravity enable you to work comfortably and without tiring. Thanks to the practical chain tensioning device, the chain can be tensioned and replaced very easily without having to use any tools. With the help of an integrated magnet, the cutter bar is fixed in place while you secure it to the chainsaw, so you will have no problem fitting the chain. Outstanding components such as the quality chain and the cutter bar from Oregon, the high-grade metal claw stop and the high-performance metal gearing result in a long service life and form the basis for the excellent quality of the RG-EC2240MG electric chainsaw from Einhell.